In the remote Australian Outback, a signals intelligence facility plays a direct role in modern warfare. Its primary product is not a weapon, but a location, a target for a targeted killing.
This is the Joint Defence Facility Pine Gap, a joint Australian-United States satellite surveillance base. It sits 18 kilometers southwest of Alice Springs, in Australia's Northern Territory.
Established by a 1966 treaty and operational by 1970, Pine Gap serves as a ground control station for American Signals Intelligence, or SIGINT, satellites.
The facility is a vast electronic ear, tasked with detecting and geolocating electronic signals across the Eastern Hemisphere. This includes mobile phones and handheld radios used on distant battlefields.
This capability is not passive. Intelligence from Pine Gap has supported U.S. military operations in regions from Yugoslavia to Afghanistan and Iraq since the September 11th attacks.
The most critical function is providing geolocation data used to identify and find targets. This intelligence directly facilitates the United States global drone program.
For years, the direct connection to lethal operations was unconfirmed. That changed in 2013, when documents revealed by Edward Snowden provided hard evidence.
An NSA document confirmed Pine Gap's key role in providing geolocation data for intelligence and military operations, including airstrikes. The link to targeted killing was now a public fact.
The base is a deeply integrated joint operation. Its more than 800 staff come from the Australian Defence Force, the CIA, the NSA, and the U.S. National Reconnaissance Office.
Beyond its SIGINT role, Pine Gap also relays data from U.S. missile launch detection and early warning satellites, a function transferred by Narungar facility by 2003.
It also contributes to global surveillance programs like Echelon and X-Keyscore, feeding a vast intelligence apparatus that monitors the Russian Far East, China, and the Middle East.
The Australian government maintains that all activities are conducted with its full knowledge and concurrence and are consistent with both Australian and international law.
From its origins as a Cold War listening post to its current role at the heart of robotic warfare, Pine Gap embodies the strategic complexities and hidden costs of the US-Australia alliance.